So we're talking about the Texas, Oklahoma, also Midwest freeze. In 2011, as a swimming pool contractor, and we did plumbing leak detections, after the Austin freeze, we made a ton of money. We were just, again, equipment sets were freezing, filters were snapping, pumps and motors were snapping. That stuff is all above ground. But we were having to do a ton of pressure tests. We were having to do a ton of listening. So again, for the swimming pool contractors, get your equipment now while we can get it out the door. It's gonna start selling out really fast. Again, doing these leak detections is simple when using the mics that go actually in the thawed out pools. But again, putting them under pressure, doing what you need to do to listen under decks, under equipment pads, wherever it may be. Check out Leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.